To install Proctorio, click on Google Chrome. Proctorio will not work with any other browser. Once you open Google Chrome, type in get Proctorio. And the first link that opens up, usually that would be the extension. Now, the page when you type in get Proctorio will guide you to use Google Chrome alone. And once you install Proctorio on a computer, you should use only that computer for the exam. And once you have this page open, it'll show you that you're using Google Chrome, so that's good. And then you'll click on the next link over here to install Proctorio. And then you will add Proctorio to Google Chrome, and you click Add Extension. Okay. Now it says Proctorio has been installed, but sometimes you don't see the Proctorio symbol on the top over here. So for that, click on this puzzle symbol and make sure you pin Proctorio to the browser. Okay. Now if you click on Manage Extensions, you should be able to see Proctorio, and make sure Proctorio is turned on. It'll look blue if it's on. Okay, so make sure it is turned on. If you have any issues with Proctorio on McGraw Hill, you can contact technical support. Technical support for higher education for students is available every day of the week. Monday through Thursday, they are available 24 hours, and they are also available on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday if you'd like to contact them. I recommend either calling them at this number, or if you click chat with a representative, a chat window will open up over here. So you can chat with them, do a live chat, where it is student support, product support. So you can click on student product support, and this chat window will open up, and you can start chatting with them. And they will give you a code in case you run into issue. So once you contact them for that issue, make sure you email your instructor that code so they know you have been in contact with product support. Okay, once again, make sure you have installed Proctorio, and if you have Proctorio on your browser, make sure you pin it to the browser so you can make sure it is installed and it's still there on your browser.